Namaste dosto, hello friends. Today in the journey to learn Hindi with Neha, we will learn Swar ke Bhed, which is subsection in the Hindi grammar chapter 2 Varna Vichar. First we have to know Varn ke Bhed. As we have already learned in Varn Vichar lesson, Varn has two major categories which is Swar and Vyanjan. Swar is the vowels and Vyanjan is the consonants. So in this lesson, we are going to discuss only about the parts of swar or the types of swar. Harsha swar, Dirgha swar, Plut swar, Sanyukt swar. The parts or the types of Vyanjan will be discussed in separate video. स्वर उन ध्वनियों को कहते हैं जो बिना किसी अन्य वर्णों की सहायता के उच्चारित किए जाते हैं. The sounds which do not take support of any other Varna letters for their own sound, like a, I, u, ri, e, o, aha. Vowels. A vowel is a letter that represents an open sound without any blockage in mouth. भारत सरकार द्वारा स्वीकृत मानक हिंदी वर्णमाला में 11 स्वर है जिसमें री अर्ध स्वर की गिनती स्वरों में ही शामिल है. दैट इज एज पर द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया only 11 vowels are there according to the standard Hindi language. So they are a, I, u, ri. This re is also included as ardhaswar. That means half vowel. A, o, and o. So basically, which is anuswar, and aha, which is the visarg, these two have been removed from the standard Hindi Varnamala language. Swar ke bhed. Now the types of swar. So now we know that as per the standard Varnamala language, there are 11 swar. So these swar or vowels are of different types depending on the sound they produce. हर्स्व स्वर वह स्वर जिनको सबसे कम समय में उच्चारित किया जाता है. What is this? कम समय. That means least time. The swar, the vowel which takes least time in its sound, is known as harsha swar. They are a, I, u, ri. You can see a, I, u, and ri. These take the least sound. Next is दीर्घ स्वर. वह स्वर जिनको बोलने में हर्स्व स्वर से अधिक समय लगता है. So दीर्घ स्वर is what? This swar, these vowels take longer time than harsha swar. They are a, I, u. Over here. A, I, u. Next, संयुक्त स्वर. वह स्वर जो दो और स्वर से मिलकर बने हो उन्हें संयुक्त स्वर कहते हैं. The vowels which are made from two different vowels, the sound comes out of two different vowels are known as Sanyukt Swar, the combined vowels. They are A, O. Fourth type, the Pluth Swar. वह स्वर जिनको बोलने में ह्रस्व स्वर की अपेक्षा तिगुना समय लगता है उन्हें प्लुत स्वर कहते हैं. Now again going back to harsha swar. What is plut swar? The sound of the vowel takes 3 times more than the sound of harsha swar. This vowel is known as plut swar. This is very rare And this example is Om, which is the combination of three letters A, O, and half M. Thank you, friends. Dhanyavad, dosto. Please don't forget to watch our next video on lesson 3 of Hindi grammar, Shabd Vichar. Like, share, and subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to give your feedbacks so as to improve my videos for better learning. Namaste.